Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your iPad and other Apple devices from ringing when your iPhone rings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It can be very annoying when your iPhone rings and then your computer and iPad also start to ring. It can make finding your ringing phone quite confusing. To stop this from happening, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down the settings and tap Phone to open the phone settings. In the phone settings, tap Calls on other devices. Here you have a list of the devices that will ring when your phone rings if the toggles are enabled. If you would like to turn off some of them and not others, then turn the toggles off to the right of the devices that you would like not to ring when your phone rings. If you would like to turn off this feature altogether, then turn off the toggle to the right of Allow Calls on other devices at the top. When the toggles are switched off, they will go from green to grey. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.